Welcome to Naturally.co Cooking with Tara. Today we are going to make a chocolate peanut butter cake. I already have my oven preheated. My pan is already sprayed. I have my cake mix in here with my eggs. And then I'm going to add my oil as well. Start heating this up a little bit. Add my water. Sure you scrape the sides to get a nice mix on this. I'm going to take half of my warm peanut butter here. Stick that in there. Mix that throughout. What we're going to do now is we are going to put it into our pan. Cake, nice little shake to spread it out. And we're going to take the remaining peanut butter and we're going to drizzle it all over. Okay. And after that, we're going to take our peanut butter cups and just plop them in. Move these over here a little bit. And then we're going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Welcome back. So I baked it for 25 minutes. It's been cooling, so it is perfect temperature to cut. Maybe I should have let it cool a little more. There you go. Enjoy.